Hello from Cookbook Divas, this is Carrie, and today we're going to look through Le French Oven by Hilary Davis with photographs by Stephen Rothfeld. I got it from the library, and ooh, pretty end papers. I'm excited to look through it. I don't eat a lot of French food because it's not often vegetarian friendly, so I'm excited. Oh, Gibbs Smith is the publisher. If I cook my own French food, I can just do the vegetarian versions, and I love cooking with butter. Contents: Introduction, French oven brands, how to choose your French oven, how to care for your French oven using this cookbook, and then appetizers and main in mini cocottes. Oh, I have some mini cocottes. Okay. Soups, baking, wow, stovetop, roasting, braising, stewing, frying, desserts in mini cocottes, desserts in French ovens, jamming, and drinks for a crowd. I'm going to look forward to this, and I've been wondering what to do with my mini cocottes. They're tiny, they're fun to cook in, they look cute, etc. This cookbook is really heavy. Oh, French oven brands. I personally have one Le Creuset, or is it Le Creuset? I think it's Le Creuset, and two fake ones from Cost Plus World Market, but they were much less expensive. How to choose your French oven. Okay. Ooh! I just saw an awesome recipe. Okay. Oh, this is nice. Appetizers in mini cocottes. It is a vegetable and feta cheese pot pies. Already a vegetarian item. I'm so happy. That looks really good. And I like that they have the ingredients, which this one has a lot required, in a red font. And then the instructions. It's really easy to read. It says that it serves 6 people. And then a little introduction on why they're the author's favorite comfort foods. Cute. This is crustless smoked salmon and zucchini quiche. Cute. Fondue mac and cheese with a picture of a chateau or a castle. I want a picture of the fondue. Warm scallop mousse with roasted cherry tomatoes. No, thank you. Summer garden crudités with lyonnaise herb dip. Here's a beautiful marinated goat cheese with roasted garlic. Ooh, nice. Okay, let's move on. Another chapter, soups. We're already in soups. Whoa. Gorgeous chilled beet soup with beet green salad. White soup with pomegranate seeds and pistachios. Artichoke parmesan soup. Yum. French carrot rice soup with homemade croutons. So far I'm not seeing a lot of meat. Radish leaf potato leek soup with shredded radish salad. Velvety pumpkin pie soup. Is this a vegetarian cookbook? Oh, no, here we go. Red clam soup with saltine crumb garnish. Okay, now we're getting some seafood. French green lentil and toasted walnut soup. That sounds really good. Baking chapter. What's in here? Easy pizza for 2 in a French oven. Wow. Red pepper, potato, and tomato casserole, but no picture of what it's supposed to look like. Nice. Free. Already in the stovetop area. Woo, here's a super moist olive oil poached salmon and Meyer lemons. That looks great for those of you that eat that. Here's a 1-pot niçoise pasta. Here's a soft Parmesan polenta with arugula and a salad and a poached egg. Nice. Okay, next chapter. Roasting. Please have some veggies. Simply delicious roasted vegetables. My wish came true. Roast turkey breast with Provençal vegetables. Some stuff without a picture. Braising. Different than roasting. Braised leeks and Swiss chard with feta and raisins. This might become my favorite new French cookbook. I might have to buy my own copy. Beer braised beef brisket for those of you that eat meat. Lemon braised chicken with green olives. Very French. Love it. Oh, you have to see this. Braised lamb shanks. Ossobuco with gremolata. And chicken in Riesling with grapes and mushrooms. Ooh. Any excuse to cook with wine and drink it while you're cooking, right? Frying. Oh no, this is going to be dangerous. This is called Nun's Size. I don't want to know. Is it tomatoes or eggs? It's eggs. Okay. Sweet potato chips. Oh. Now we're already on the desserts chapter. Vanilla pudding, raspberry tart. Individual chocolate fondue. That's pretty. That'd be fun at a party. Banana rice pudding, Christmas Eve white chocolate mousse. Raspberry clafouti, but not a picture of it. Vanilla cheesecakes. I need more pictures. And desserts and French ovens, jamming, fresh strawberry jam, that's an important recipe. Drinks for a crowd, not any fabulous pictures in there, but that's pretty awesome. And it's kind of like a little pictorial tour of France also. That is Le French Oven by Hilary Davis. I definitely recommend it. I'm going to turn off the camera and go explore it more slowly and carefully, and I might be making some lentil soup tonight. Thanks for watching. You can see more of our cookbook review videos on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube under Cookbook Divas. We have a blog, website, and podcast too. Bye.